Hey guys, so I'm here to share another what's in my purse. This is my little Balenciaga crossbody that I like to throw on when I am running errands, maybe when I have a lighter day at work, just my everyday sort of crossbody, quick throw on bag. It still fits so much, so I wanted to go ahead and show you what fits in this bag. So let's go ahead and get into this what's in my purse video. Alright guys, as always, thank you so much for coming to watch my video. If you are a returning subscriber, I love and appreciate you. If you are new here, please consider sticking around and subscribing to my channel. You guys are literally the best. So let's go ahead and get into this what's in my bag. As I stated, it was this little crossbody bag that I've been loving. I am trying to get more and more into color, so I've been doing that through accessories, whether it's shoes and handbags and stuff like that. I'm not quite comfortable with color in my wardrobe so much, but I've been trying. So this bag is definitely one of those kind of moments where I'm trying to inject some color into my life. My husband actually bought this for me for a Christmas present, and I have been getting so much use out of it. It's this beautiful sort of square shape with the rounded edges, very reminiscent of the YSL and Gucci camera bags. I love the construction of it. It's all leather. There's a back slip pocket here, just one zip. There's a slip pocket on the inside, an adjustable strap, and that's kind of basically the bag. It's silver hardware, so I really like that. Makes it a bit more casual. And then the Balenciaga on the front is in black. So I think this bag is just super cute and casual. I don't really think it's a dressy bag at all, but I love it for my everyday. So let's go ahead and see what's in here and what fits in here. In the back, I can usually slip my cell phone, but I don't have that in there. But I have a face mask in there because I like to just keep them on me. Again, in New York City, you still have to wear your face mask on public transportation. So I like to keep it on me just in case I need it. You definitely want to keep those on. Also, if there's a really crowded room I'm in and I don't feel comfortable, I'll just go ahead and slip on my mask. And then let's go ahead and get inside. It fits a lot actually. So let's see if I can... Again, I like for the bag to kind of be in the frame when people are going through their what's in my bag videos. Let me know in a comment down below if you are the same way. So the first thing that's in here is, of course, my handy dandy and trusty 6-ring key holder by Louis Vuitton. It is in the monogram print. I have a ton of keys in here, and it has a little slip pocket. So some people actually use this as their daily wallet. They'll put their ID and like a debit card or credit card in the back here. I keep my Metro card in there. And then I just keep our car key, the key fob on the outside, just for easy access, and also so that this can close. I have a lip gloss by Sephora. This is the gloss lip gloss in the color Sleek. It's this beautiful baby pink. I always keep a ton of lip products on me, I think like every other woman on the planet. I have a Charlotte Tilbury Lip Cheat in Foxy Brown. It's my favorite brown lip liner that I always wear. This is a beautiful like neutral brown. I love her lip liners because they're waterproof. I have a Charlotte Tilbury lipstick in Nude Romance. It is what I'm wearing today. It's a pretty nude that is brown girl friendly. I have Super 90s, which is a brown, sort of brown colored lipstick. It's really pretty for when I want something darker, which is normally more in my comfort zone, something a little bit more dark and brown. Oh, I have another lip gloss in there. So this is the Sephora gloss in Yes Honey. It's a milky sort of beigey nude. Fits a lot in here, guys. I have my asthma pump because I am chronically asthmatic, and you never want to be caught without your asthma pump. Like if you have asthma, please carry your asthma pump on you at all times. My asthma pump is as needed, and I haven't needed it in a long time, but you want to have it and not need it, then not have it and need it. Trust me. I have my handy dandy pepper spray and little safety tool. It's a cute little kit in here. But yeah, you use that just to, keep safe in these New York City streets and subway, especially with everything that's going on. I have my work badge here. I like to carry it on me even on my everyday just in case I need it. I have my little Louis Vuitton round coin purse. Do they even make this anymore? Guys, let me know in a comment. Did they make this anymore? I keep my earbuds in there. You guys know that I prefer my earbuds with the wire over my AirPods, just because of the sound quality to me is better. A lot of people told me to get the AirPod Pros, but my husband has those and I have really small ears. They don't stay in my ears at all. Like, they don't stay in my ears at all. And I know you probably can get the pieces that go on, but I feel like that's just like way too much for that when I could just pop these in my ear and keep it pushing. I do have my AirPods in there just in case I want to use them and want to be wireless. I have my card case in here, so it has all my important cards, my driver's license, everything like that. I'm noticing that I don't have my little wallet with my health insurance cards. I need to go and find that and put that in here. I have my Laura Mercier Ombre Vanilla Body Butter. This was in my last What's in My Purse. This keeps my hands nice and moisturized. I always carry hand cream with me. I have my hand sanitizer. This is something with the bag's information, so I'm going to put that on the inside flip pocket. Then there is a ATM receipt, and I have 2 little black rubber bands from when I want to tie my hair back quickly. So it's all empty. It's just all leather inside. It's a black leather, so sometimes it is hard to see. On the inside little slip pocket, I have a perfume blotter card, and then the other little tag that goes with the bag, and just some change as well. Yeah, so that was a quick little what's in my everyday little crossbody. Again, my health insurance cards are probably in my larger tote bag that I was carrying for work, so I'm going to go ahead and pop that in here because I always like to carry my health cards on me no matter what. So yeah, I have pretty much everything I would need for the day, and it's convenient, it's small, so this is good for when I need to, you know, do shopping, or if I'm just, you know, out and about and I don't want a bigger bag. I just slap this on crossbody and it just works perfectly, and it's my cute little pop of color. I hope you guys enjoyed my what's in my bag video. What crossbodies and little bags are you carrying this spring summer? This is definitely going to get a lot of use this summer, I think. Let me know in a comment down below what bags you guys are carrying and what bag you love, what brands you love. I love to check out new handbags, and yeah, I'll see you in another video. Thank you again so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.